It's a monthly meeting that brings together dozens of people from many different faith backgrounds. Faith-based coffee started as a way for faith communities to help bridge the gap between what Evergreen Public Schools can provide and the needs of our students. Whether it's church members making summer meals for students who might otherwise go hungry, or donating clothing to our school-based resource centers, or volunteering time to clean up school grounds. It's about being of service, not about proselytizing.
One of the challenges that we face as a school district is working with faith partners and where to draw that line and where is the line exactly. And so we've been very open from the beginning as a group about what our intent is in this group and what we can and cannot do. And so everyone's been very respectful of that line. And as a result, we've seen amazing partnerships grow and flourish now that we have this understanding and we've had this open communication. Partnerships that were healthy have now thrived because of this open discussion and encouragement at the district level to work together to meet the needs, because we all share the same kids and same families in our community.
While we're members of the faith community, we're also members of the community at large, and so we have worked together as without barriers. We don't proselytize, we don't try to impose our religion or our views on anyone else. We simply are looking for ways that we can work together for the benefit of the community, and so it hasn't really been a problem.
Ann Johnston, the public health nurse who helped launch Faith-Based Coffee, says it's about having frank conversations about the separation of church and state and then working to serve the community in the interest of all.
We've had those tough conversations. We facilitated a lot of meetings around what made a good working relationship, what were the barriers or missed opportunities, and then how do we overcome those. And so the participants that come to Faith-Based Coffee have that grounding and sense. And together, when you build relationships between a faith community and you have a contact person at the school, you can talk about those things. And so that's part of Faith-Based Coffee, is talking to one another so that we don't have missteps, so that everybody has a clearly defined role.
Congregations who are members of Faith-Based Coffee have volunteered to serve meals to students at back-to-school nights and barbecues.
At the beginning of the school year, we had so many faith partners stepping up to volunteer to help serve families meals at open house back to school events, so that the teachers who normally do that job can be in their classroom welcoming their kids. So PTO members and parents can spend that time with our kids because they're often the ones helping and volunteering. But now when we have these faith partners, youth groups coming in to provide this service, our families and our teachers can spend that time with their kids in their classroom. And so it's been really exciting just to go around to different groups and see hundreds of people coming together for these events.
Each year, members of the Church of Jesus Christ of Latter-day Saints come together to help clean up the grounds of many of our schools.
Our whole community wrapped around Riverview today, and that's something that I'm just walking away, just my heart is full, just about how many people care about their school.
Well, in essence, that's what it means to have faith, I think, is that we're looking out for each other and trying to benefit each other, trying to help each other. And there are many people that have a tougher situation in life right now. My wife and I have been through some difficult times, and people helped us, and now we're looking to pay back and to help where we can. And I think the faith community in general, they see that as a primary goal of their faith, is to bless and help those around them.
Yeah, I would say it's worth the work. You know, there are some challenges along the way, and we've experienced those, but we've been able to get through them and grow through them. And so I encourage school districts to just have those open conversations and be transparent with your faith partners about what your needs are and maybe how you can help serve each other. And we've seen some amazing reciprocal relationships built from this. And so if there's any hesitation, I would recommend them to join us at Faith-Based Coffee and to see the great work happening, but to not be afraid of that, but to have that open transparency to allow this to flourish.